YouTube? Smoove Flipper here. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to make a video real quick going over a question that I see a lot, whether it's on my YouTube channel, on Facebook groups, and it's from a lot of people who are just intrigued with phone flipping, and they don't know, really how to get started, guys. So at the end of the day, phone flipping is a simple business, kind of, once you kind of get started and you develop that routine. But in the beginning, it can be a little mind-blowing. It could be overwhelming for some people. And, the biggest question that I get is, how do I start? Now, for me, if I was, let's say I'm a beginner phone flipper, or let's say I'm trying to do this all over again. What I would teach people to do is to utilize, first I would tell them to utilize their friends and family. Now, you never know who is going to see your post. Now, I know some people who don't like their friends and their family and their business. I get that. But it only takes one post on your Facebook page, on your Instagram story, that says, hey, I'm buying iPhones, I'm buying smartphones, iPad, and Apple Watches, something of that nature. It only takes one post. You might have a couple people reach out to you. It was a free post that you posted, and you could possibly get a few phones from doing that. So that's the first thing I would do. I would let my friends and family know what I do, because I've gotten phones for dirt cheap from friends and family. People who just say, hey, I have an iPhone X that I haven't been using, or that's just been sitting, in my drawer. How much do you buy these for? That's all it takes, guys. That's your first lead right there. So I would personally go out and let my friends and family know what I do first. Not everybody's going to hit you up. You may not even get one message. But if you continue to post on what you do, someone's going to see it. Someone may tag another friend. They may say, hey, I got a friend that's actually looking to sell their phone. And they tag that person. There's your lead right there. So I would start out doing that first. Just to kind of see, if I can get some phones from people that I actually know. And then what I would do next is I would go the free route. I would go on Facebook. I would join a few local groups that I have in my area. Don't try to join 20 groups at one time, guys. That's how you get blocked. Facebook's going to spam your account, because it is spam. You're not supposed to join 20 groups in 1 minute, guys. So join, I'll say 4 or 5 groups at a time. Okay. Now what you're going to do in those groups, you're going to post. You're going to make a post. Say, hey guys, I'm buying iPhones in the area. I can pay you cash same day. I'm meeting you in public only. Make sure you have all those details. So when people reach out to you, because they're going to reach out to you, someone's going to find your post and they're going to reach out to you. So when they do that, all you have to do is either you have a direct buyer's sheet. They're so easy to find, guys. If you actually need me to send you one, I could send you a list from direct buyers just for you to go off of. You don't have to sell to those particular people, but it's good to have that. So when people hit you up with let's say an iPhone 13 that's unlocked, you can go on the buyer's sheet and quickly check that. You don't have to go through the whole process of eBay to do that, because I still do that, but when you're starting out, it's easier just to look at a list, and then let's say they're paying $450 for that. You could offer them, start out at $350 and go from there. But just have that list as a guide, and once you have that list, once you make that post on Facebook, you have to be consistent with that. Daily, do this daily, post. And this is all for free, guys. Make sure you understand that you've probably seen others and myself talk about paid ads. Paid ads are good. Paid ads work, but test the waters first. Don't throw all your money at Facebook especially if you don't have the full spectrum on how phone flipping works. It's easier to just go the free route and see how it works in your area. Now, don't determine those free posts as, oh, this is not going to work because I didn't get any messages. You have to stay consistent at it, like I said earlier. And usually how this business works is, once you get one message, I feel like they all kind of come in at one time. And it can be overwhelming, but, when you consistently post every day on what you do, you're going to get people messaging you. So that's what I would do. And I didn't want to make this video too long, but I would start out like that. Start out with those. Obviously, there's more ways you can go about it. Those are the free ways. The free ways you can do it. And I'll always advise you to go free first because, I don't want anyone losing money trying something that may or may not work. Now, and I'm going to always say this, phone flipping is not for everyone. It's a very simple business, but it's just not for everyone. Some people just don't like meeting up with people. Some don't like dealing with cash. Some had bad experiences, but at the end of the day, guys, it's a business that I've been doing for years. It works. I've proven that it works. I've taught people that are still doing it. I've taught people back in 2015 who are still doing it to this day, who have accomplished many things just by consistently flipping phones, not taking breaks, just doing what they have to do to grow their business, guys. So again, didn't want to make this video too long, but that's what I would do if I started out fresh phone flipping, would go the free route because, if it doesn't work, you're not out of money, you're just out of a little bit of time it took to make those posts. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, I appreciate it if you did drop a like. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.